What's up, everybody? Welcome, or welcome back. Today's flight will be over the Hookena Beach Park. A lot of my childhood happened along these shorelines. It was once a thriving Hawaiian fishing village. Canoes lined the shore. My dad and I used to launch one from here. Back in the early 1900s, this bay used to be a thriving port. Steamships would bring cattle, as well as travelers and other goods. If you look good enough, you can still see some of that history along the shoreline. But anyway, let's get on with the video. So get your eyeballs ready, because you know, it's gonna be on.